Everyone, how are you? Welcome back. And today I have my Black Friday shopping haul and we're going to unbox. So let's go through everything here and let's see what I got for Black Friday. Let's start off with the smallest box, and right here is a package from Onyx Nail Pro. Excuse the state of the package. From Onyx Nail Pro, I bought a 5-pack of the reusable files. I've been using her files for a while now, and these are the metal center boards for the replacement peel and stick files. And what's nice with these, that these can get easily sanitized, disinfected, and sterilized since they are metal. They're a nice base and it doesn't bend that much. On top of that, she sent me a little thank you inside it. Also, if anyone wants to know, I do have a discount code for Onyx Nail Pro. I'm going to pop it up on the screen, and it's always going to be listed in the description box below. So I got 2 little things in the little thank you, and it was a cuticle oil, because you can never have too many. And this one is liquid chrome, so let's actually, you know what? Let's swatch this and see what it looks like. Can you just... I hope you are all seeing this. That color... What is the... Can you see that color? It has a really cool, like, green hue to it. Let me... Look at that. It looks fantastic. Oh, it has a little purple shift to it, like a green purple. When it's over black and when it's over white. Okay, when it's over white, it's still going to have that green purple shift to it. It's just more of like a pearlescent, iridescent kind of color. That is going to be fun to play with. Next up, I'm going to open up a package from Gemini Cosmetics. So let's see what I got. First up, I got a sample of a scrub. So which one did I get? Let's smell it. Looks like it may be from the list. Raspberry. I'm guessing it's a scrub. Oh, that's definitely raspberry. Oh, you know what? I need to treat myself, give myself a pedicure soon, so I might just try this. I didn't order a lot from Gemini Cosmetics, and this is the website over here. And my friend Sheena has a discount code, so I'm going to pop her discount code up on the screen, and it'll also be listed in the description below. I did buy some new buffer blocks because I needed new ones. Now, okay. So these are just like the little half-size buffer blocks over here. If I remember the grit on these, I'm going to put it on the screen over here. I wanted to try these because I was in need for new buffer blocks. So I bought a whole bag of these, as well as I needed new lint-free wipes. And these are the ones from Kokoist. I normally use the ones from like Elegance, but these were the same amount, but they were about half of the price. So I'm going to give these a try from Kokoist, and I'm going to see how I like these compared to the lint-free wipes from La Elegance. And last but not least, in this package right here on the table, I have a package from Nail Innovations. And Darcy Olin is the owner of Nail Innovations, and she is the U.S. distributor for Magic Gel. So let's see what Magic Gel goodies I have in this box. Okay. I got a little thank you card with the Hershey Kiss. I swear sometimes it's not about the goodies that are in the box that you purchased. It's the little chocolate that comes in your package. And I'm going to eat this right now because I'm filming this at 10:30 at night. So I'm going to eat some chocolate. Okay, so this is... Oh, I got a whole bunch of flyers and papers. I have everything in here is what I purchased. So let's start with top. So I couldn't, Darcy had a whole bunch of sales on her website with Magic Gel products. And one of the items, she had a doorbuster. I think it was 80% off. And the 80% off item was nail forms. If anyone knows me, they're going to know, Delia, why did you buy another roll of nail forms? Because these were on sale for 80% off. So how could I not buy another roll of nail forms? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I have another roll of nail forms to add to my ever-growing collection. Oh, it says, welcome to Magic Gift Box. Let's see what's inside here. Let's see what we got. And, okay, this is insanely adorable. So I have a little sample of Truth. Looks like it's a gel polish. Oh, that color, if you can see, oh, if you can see this color right now, that is gorgeous. I cannot wait to swatch that. You also have a pen and a little key tag. This is I'm a Magic Nail Tech. The play on words. I freaking love this. So I did order some Mlaq. So the first, where's the name of it? First color is Adventure Shimmer number 120. This is like a lilac purple with a little bit of shimmer. That's pretty. I just chose, honestly, random colors. We have the matte top coat, because I can't resist getting a matte top coat. We have French Perfume number 78. This is a nice nude color. We have Jade Garden number 66. Ooh, it's a nice like teal color. That's pretty. These colors look amazing so far. California Lilac number 86. Yes, that purple looks freaking amazing. Okay. And then we have Blue Lagoon number 165. This is part of the Iridescent Reflections. Oh, look at that glitter. Can you see that? And the last one is Pacific Harmony number 265. And it says right here, I like how these are labeled so you can see if it's a shimmer, it's in, you know, I like how these are labeled right up here. Oh, this, oh, it's gorgeous. Okay. I also got a whole pack of files, and this is the 180 grit because I needed new ones. And last but not least is the Ultimate Starter Kit. So let me take this out of the box. Let's open it up and let's see what's in the Ultimate Starter Kit. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to get with Magic Gel, but then I saw Darcy talking about the Ultimate Starter Kit, and one of my nail tech friends, Carrie, who is a nail tech in Canada, I've seen her use this. I've seen her use Magic Gel products for a while now, and I'm kind of really excited to try this out. I am wearing Acro Gel on these 4 fingers right now, and this is the color Cream Puff. The top coat, the tackless Hyper Shine top coat is what is on top. So let's open everything. Once you open it up, you do get a step-by-step guide inside, which is actually really nice. So you have a little sheet of Magis. These are their decals. You also get more nail forms. So these compared to the ones that I bought. So these are the 2 sizes of nail forms that Magic Gel has. They're shorter ones and they're longer ones. This is the top coat that I was talking about before. So this is the Tackless Hyper Shine top coat. This is what I have on top of my nails right now. You also get a silicone thin base. It looks like I have a clear builder, which is their version of builder in a bottle, but this does have HEMA in here. They do have a new NailGuard out that is HEMA free, so I definitely want to buy that and give that a try because I prefer HEMA free. There is also, same thing, the light rose builder. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. That's a nice color. It looks like I have 2 more gel polishes. So I have Ruby number 241. This is a nice red for clients that want red this time of the season, even Valentine's. And the second one is number 2, Lily of the Valley. That is, oh, is that like a blue or a gray or a white? I can't tell. It's a nice light color. Oh, I have some nice colors. So these 2 down here is their glitter paint and their gel paint. So this one is Universal. This one is Universal Black. How can you go wrong with having black in your collection? Like how nice and full these pots are. And then you also have Aurora Lights. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, you see that? And this is what it looks like on the lid. That looks amazing. And you also get one of their acro gels, which this is Cream Puff, and this is the color that I'm wearing right now, as I said earlier. And this is what it looks like in the pot. You also get Diamond Fiber, which I have one, so this is a backup for me. This is a really crystal clear hard gel. Can tell how clear it is by the pot when I open it up. The last one is Ultra Silk. It says semi-opaque with a peach hue. Okay. And then this is the Ultra Silk. Can't wait to play around with these. This one looks a little bit thicker than the Diamond Fiber. And I'll have to learn what each one of these little symbols are, because if you kind of look on the top of the Acrogel and their builders, they have little symbols, and I have to learn what those little symbols are. This is everything that comes in the Ultimate Starter Kit, and I think I said this already, but I'm going to say it again. I'm excited to try out something new. This is everything I got on my Black Friday shopping haul. As I said, I didn't get a lot. I'm actually really excited to try everything from Magic Gel and really use some of the Mlaq colors because I've heard nothing but wonderful things. I will let everyone know how I like the lint-free wipes and the buffers. If you would like to order anything from Onyx Nail Pro, I really love using her file system with the metal bases and the replacement pads. So if you want to try anything out from her website, I have a discount code and that'll be in the description below. Everything else I bought will also be listed in the description box below, and I will talk to you later. Bye.